Another dua we should make, Allahumma Tawaffana Muslimeen, wa Ahyina Muslimeen, wa Alhiqna bis-Salihin, ghayra khazaya, wala maftuneen. That, O Allah, cause us to die as Muslims, and cause us to live as Muslims, and join us with the righteous who are neither disappointed nor afflicted. Or join us with the righteous without having been humiliated or afflicted. Yani, cause us to die as Muslims. First of all, what this means is that I am a Muslim until the end of my life. Yani, for all my life, until the last moment of my life also, I am in submission to you. And then, وَأَحْيِنَا مُسْلِمِينَ. Keep us alive as Muslims. Yani, for as long as you allow me to live, Ya Rab, allow me to live in a state of submission to you. And then, وَأَلْحِقْنَا بِالصَّالِحِينَ. In the hereafter, join me with the righteous, because الْمَرْءُ مَعَ مَنْ أَحَبَّ, a person will be with those whom he loves. And then, join me with them in a state that is غَيْرَ خَزَايَا وَلَا مَفْتُونِينَ, while we have not been humiliated. Yani, how is a person humiliated that they end up disobeying Allah, because of which they will be punished in the next life, in the hereafter? That is the greatest humiliation, that a person is punished on the Day of Judgment. رَبَّنَا إِنَّكَ مَن تُدْخِلِ النَّارَ فَقَدْ أَخْزَيْتَ. The person who is admitted in hell, then that person is truly humiliated. And then وَلَا مَفْتُونِينَ. Maftunin, who is maftun? The one who is put in fitna, in temptation, in this world. And they fail, and as a result of that, they're put in fitna, in punishment, in hell. So, allow us to enter paradise, basically, safe and sound. Allow us to join the righteous company in paradise, safe and sound.